Whoa, did you see that? I've seen it a couple times now, and I'm not happy about it. The whole thing just broke here. This is Pursuit, and I am a space engineer, but I'm having troubles today. I went out, I did some mining, I came back here, and I meant to go drop the stuff off. Stop. And my ship's all exploded. I think it's because I was using that little bug there to cheat my way into moving stuff from inventories when I'm not connected. So yeah, partly my fault. But let's go ahead and do something here. Turn that off. Accidentally fell on this hole, which I didn't mean to do. This is where the little ship was, the little welding ship, and it has exploded. This is where my container was, as you can see from the ores down here. We have some iron and some silicone and some uranium and some nickel, and this is probably the cobalt over here. So it's still all here. Go that way. Can I push it? I don't think I can because I'm small. You can't do anything when you're small. When you're just your little human self, can't do much. So my ships just blew up. I didn't really want the miner anymore. I would have liked the welding ship, but there really wasn't a lot on it. And I'm trying to see if there's anything else around here that survived the explosion. Parts of the ship. I turned my number of objects up to 1024. I reloaded, turned it to 1024. See if we could find anything, and I'm not finding anything other than those big, huge rocks. And you know, last time I tested this once before. I went in to see if it would do anything. Oh, there's some. Wow, all the way over here. Trying to see if I could find any of the parts, and I was a little more successful in finding some of the parts. The blue ship is apparently like totally obliterated. No idea where it went to. But I figured I would just keep this. And I will live with this bug, and I will find a reason to cheat the game later to make up for it. But not too much cheating, just a little bit. Because, you know, this is an alpha game. You accept the fact that things are broken. You don't like it, but you move on. So, I don't think we lost a lot in the ship there, but we do need to get some of this a little bit better. We need to put another container on here so we can put all these rocks away. So let's go ahead and see what we can do. I apparently need some oxygen pretty bad, so let's go ahead and grab some of that. Just fill it up. Apparently it's not quite... There we go, 46. Thank you. Hydrogen's kind of low. I think there's a hydrogen tank over in the ship here, if I am not mistaken. Let's see. Hydrogen. There it is. Fill that up. Put it back away. It only used up a little bit of it. So let's go ahead and grab a few of these parts here. Grab whatever we can out of here that's not stone and rock, because I need to do a little bit. I should probably... Should we just put this oxygen bottle away while we're at... Oh, I don't have enough room for it. Fine, be that way. So, what I'm going to do is put the tank back. Oh, look at that rock, it's huge. We're going to be able to put this back? I don't know, we'll see. Let's go grab the large container here again. Let's just slap it on. What do I need for this? I need interior plates. Oh, I thought I had some interior plates. I don't have any interior plates. They're over here. I do have some over here, though. So let's grab some interior plates. Yes. Thank you. And we will slap this back on here. And I lost my antenna also, so that's just dandy. But I do have a lot of ore here, so we will just rebuild. Just rebuild, and I will pay for my deception to the game. It knew what I did and it caught up with me. Let's go ahead and drop off. Where can I put this stuff? I guess I will just, let's just do it from here. Actually, we won't do it from there. Let's do this first. Let's Where is it? There it is, the welder. So I lost my welder. That was also on the end of that too, I think. I think I had a welder on there still. We're gonna put this on right here and get the ship to build it for us. Because this is a lot easier to build. This little piece right here is a lot easier to build than the entire thing is. So we need some construction components, some motors, and some steel plates. I'm pretty sure I need some steel grids going here too, but we'll see what we can do about those. So let's see. Yeah, let's go ahead and have it start making some construction components if we can. I think that's what I'm going to need the most of. So construction components. Let's put these back. Steel plates. Put these away. Did I need computers? Motors? I don't know what all needed. Hopefully that's what I needed. Oh, look at that! I have got it under control. Let's go ahead and build this back, and we will let this welder take care of building the tank back, the cargo container back, so I don't have to do it all myself. I think it will actually heal it. Let's see if it actually heals itself when I start it up. Let's go ahead and tell it to turn on. And look, it's actually healing itself. That's awesome. Let's see what all we're going to need. We're going to need one display, a bunch of metal grids. That's about all we need. One display and 22 metal grids. So let's see. Let's get some... of those going. And I knew that was going to be a problem. Get 2 more on there. What does it need? It needs nickel and cobalt. Well, currently we are making... Cobalt is being turned, but we need some nickel. And we could do nickel too, but I want the cobalt to be processing because I don't think we have any good ways to get it at this time. But if I'm not mistaken, yes, we have some cobalt in thrusters. So let's go ahead and break down some thrusters. Inventory, production. Well, I think we don't have a whole lot, so let's go ahead and just tell it to disassemble like a stack of 10. And it's probably just going to stop here. Yes, it did. What are we still low on? Cobalt, nickel. What else can we get nickel from? We get nickel from motors. We have lots of motors. We have 101 motors. Let's just break down like 60 of them just for kicks while I look at something else. So motors, let's go ahead and 60 of them. Okay, I'm going to take some thruster components because we are in big need of thruster components. We'll have to put them back later because there's no way to get this stuff back in. So let's go ahead and sure, let's just take it right from here. Did get a few thruster components out of that. I think we did, didn't we? I don't know. To put all these away though. Let's go ahead and disassemble a few more thruster components. We'll put those up front. And let's check out our assembly. How's it going? Okay, we did get some of these on the way. I doubt it's going to be enough though, so let's grab a few more thruster components. Maybe that will be enough. That's quite a few, actually. Let's see, disassemble. Probably one more. So that thruster is now useless. This ship is not going anywhere. Like, oh, actually, that was an extra thruster. I didn't even realize I had an extra thruster there, so we're okay. Matter of fact, it's a downward thruster. That is awesome. We don't even need that one. Let's see how we're doing here, though. Production. Assembly, okay. Let's go check on it while it's doing its thing. What do we need? We need the display still. Why do we not have a display? So we need 3 grids and a display. Did I not make the display? I think I just... Did we not get the display in there? Get the display and the interior... We need an interior plate. Reproduction, we need an interior plate. Where is it? Why can I not see? There it is. And a display. Did I not do the display? I thought I did the display already, but apparently it didn't. We need some silicone, which we have some. Good. Go ahead and cancel that. We'll just let these craft of whatever they want to craft. And look at that! We are in business. Now let's go ahead and turn this thing off. And... where do I go from here? Look at all this ore down here. How do I get it back? How do I get it back? I think my ship's running a little low on this too, so let's grab a few of these. Let's just grab like a couple of them. We'll leave one in there, and let's go ahead and... Have any uranium? We do not have uranium cooking up. We should get some uranium cooking up. So uranium. Can I even pick up the uranium? The question... Let's see if it'll let me pick any up. Silicone... There's the uranium. Will it let me pick up uranium? Oh, I think it failed. Yes, I cannot pick up the uranium. That is a problem. So what can we do? Well, let's go ahead and put the... Put this in here. Oh, the thruster. I think I might want to turn this into a welding ship. Yeah, because, I mean, how do you get to this stuff down here? What is a good way to get to it? We could use one of these collectors. It apparently needs a steel plate. And try and suck it up. Or we could try and put one... I don't think you can do collectors on small ships. Let's check. I have never tried to do that before, but I'm pretty sure... I don't think that's an option. Oh, it is. Look at that. Okay, well, we need to do a few things. We need to... Let's move this connector. We don't even have any small ships anymore to hook up to it, so let's go ahead and... Let's see, let's put it right back here again. Where should we put it? Let's put it right here. I like it better there. I like it better that way too. What do we need for it? We need a steel plate. So let's get a steel plate. Steel plates. And I will go ahead and weld this one up by hand because it won't be quite as awkward. Because I can just... Let's see, construction components. Actually, we might have everything we need, but I don't have any way of doing it really easy though, do I? Let's see, steel plates, computers. Take a lot of steel plates. Let's see what we can do. Do not need large steel tubes. We need small steel tubes. I don't have another welder there. That's weird. Construction components. Probably need some of those. More steel plates. That's not very much, but we need small tubes, steel plates, computers. Okay, let's move these down. Whatever. Let's move them down with the rest of them, though. Motors. All those small steel tubes, steel plates. This thing's expensive. Still need steel plates and computers. I think I've got enough steel plates, but let's see. Computers. So all we need is steel plates now. Grab a few more of those to throw out. So let's see. Steel plates. I need 5 more steel plates. But this thing will work anyways without them. So we'll be pretty much back on track. We're just going to have to figure out a way to collect the rest of those ores that I left down below. Okay. Good enough. Let's go ahead and hook onto my ship here. Did I already drop? I think I did drop off the... Let's see. Inventory, the reactor. Here we go. Yeah, we got 2 of it in there. Go ahead and connect up to this little doohickey here. Can I hook up though, even with that? There's a big, huge stone there in my way. Apparently it's not going to be too bad. Let's see. Inventory, is it all getting pulled out now? Probably not automatically. Let's see, large container. Let's just throw it all in the large container here. Can I not move it around? Really? It's already full? Oh, I'm trying to put it in my own container. Okay. We'll do it that way instead. How's that sound? This looks really weird. Weirder than I'm used to it. Was what threw me off. So, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I will figure out a way to collect all those stones that are down on the ground there below. Next time, we'll just get all this out. Leave me some comments as to what you thought. Disaster strikes, and we're just gonna roll with it. That looks good. But I'm not saying hook up to this thing. I think it was because I had 2 of them hooked up. Might have been my problem. So subscribe for future content if you're not a member of my channel, and I will see you in the next one. I get on with your pursuit. And I don't know, maybe we'll hook up some welders or some